Heidi here, and right now, I'm probably wondering, you're wearing the same shirt as yesterday, and yes, I am, but I filmed my Who Am I video, actually a couple minutes ago. I just am uploading it now as we speak, so this will be on for tomorrow. But yeah, so this is kind of why I'm starting this video late. So today is just going to be a quick little video. I think we're going to go to the local school that's behind the house here, and I'm just going to let Blakey go run and let us steam, and then maybe if we have time before it gets dark, we might go for a walk in the forest. Hey, so we are currently at the school. We were gonna go and get Blakey all situated up and get him running around, but they have closed the gate, so nobody can get by there anymore. So we're gonna go home. It's getting dark. Actually, let me go over to the little creek down here and see what we can see. Okay, so we found this little patch of grass by the school. So we are just walking around. I'm kind of standing here while Blake goes off and plays. He's been inside all day. There we go. Yeah, so he's been inside all day. So now, well, he's been outside for like going pee in the backyard and stuff, but hasn't been out like exploring at all today. So we're just here, we're just chilling, just hanging out, getting him to run around and go explore for a little bit, and then we'll head off down to then we'll go to the little forest area and go down to the creek. Yeah. His new favorite toy, I threw a stick and he's been playing with it the whole time that we've been out here. Let's see, I'll try and get it from Blakey. Blakey, stick. Stick. Okay. Ready? And go! Yeah, we haven't learned, bring the stick here and drop it in front of Mommy's feet so Mommy can throw it back, but we're learning. Oh, there he goes. Ah! Uh-oh. I gotta go get him, guys. Uh-oh. Come on. There he goes. Yeah, we're just chilling, just kind of hanging out. Hey! I gotta go get him, guys. Okay, so as you can see, we're coming out to the creek. It's like just off the main road, and we are gonna go down, see where it takes us. Come. Woo. Come. So this is the creek. I haven't been down here in a long time. Look at that. Really ucky water. It's clear right there, then it goes into like really ucky water. And this also runs into like somebody's backyard, so we're not staying here for very long. Like, look at that water. Actually, like, clear, but you can't really go too far down. Okay, let's keep going. Come on, following. Yeah, you can't go like too far down because it's. Oh my god, all these bugs. All these bugs. So yeah, so this is it. Just wanted to show you guys some little hidden trails. Okay, let's turn in. Now the mosquitoes are out. Oh, mosquitoes! But yeah, you can see we're not that far from the road. Okay, let's go. Like, we aren't that far from the road. So, yeah. Well, that's it. So that was the creek. Woohoo! So right now watching fireworks outside my bedroom window. Like, that is, we're going good. I don't know if you can see it properly, but that's it. So I hope that everybody is having a happy and safe starting of the May 2 weekend. I am ending the vlog for tonight. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!